Hello Odooers, welcome to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today I am going to teach you how to create form view in the Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So a form view is used to display and edit detailed information for a single record in a structured or user-friendly layout. So before creating the form view, you have to create object in the Odoo or in your custom module, and you can see how to create object in Odoo in our technical video section. In this video I will show you how to create form view. So let's understand. So I already created the new object mole.soap, and I already defined the different fields into this mole.soap object. So now I create the form view of this mole.soap object. So for this, go into your custom module folder, then create the new folder views, then create new XML file of this mole.soap object. So I created the new XML file soap.xml. So this is the form view of mole.soap object. Into the ID you have to write the unique ID, then into model you have to write ir.ui.view, then write the unique name, then into model write the object. Here I write mole.soap, then write field name is equal to arch, type is equal to XML. Here I want to create the form view, so that's why here I write the form tag. If we have the buttons and fields like selection, then we can add those fields or button into this header tag like this. Here I use widget is equal to status bar. Then we have to write the sheet tag. Here I added group tag. I created two groups into this main group, group 1 and group 2, and I defined some fields in group 1 and some fields into group 2. Here I define all the fields that I created into the py file, and then add this XML file into your manifest file. So here I go into the manifest file, then define the XML file soap.xml like this into the data key. So this is how the form view is created in the Odoo. You can create different views like Kanban view, list view, pivot view, graph view, activity view, calendar view of your custom module, and you have to create menu and action of this custom module. And you can see how to create these different views, menus and action in our technical video section. Here I already created the list view and action and menu of the custom module mole.soap. So here I will show you how the form view looks of mole.soap object. So restart the server and upgrade your module. Then go in your browser and refresh this page. You can see mole management. Here I click on this soap menu. So this soap menu is the menu of mole.soap object. This is the list view. Now I click on the new button. So here you can see the form view of mole.soap object. So this is the header portion, this is the sheet portion, this is group 1 and this is group 2. Now I create new record. General store, floor 1, discount default value 10%, progress default value 60%, shop status open, opening date, cover, mole name 40 square mole, this is a many to one field, closing time 8 hours. Now I save this record. So you can see how to create different views like list view, Kanban view, pivot view, graph view, activity view, calendar view, search view, then how to create menu item and action in the Odoo in our technical video section. If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.